How to stop pop-up ads on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Chrome browser and then tap on this three dot from the top right corner. Then go to settings. After that, scroll down and then you will see an option of site settings. Scroll all the way down and then you will see option of protected content. Simply select allowed. Now go to intrusive ads and then block these for block the intrusive ads. After that go to pop-ups and redirects. Block it as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.